Since we sold a car, we are in requirement of a new car.
Like it's been ages since we've vlogged. I forgot how to vlog completely. This fellow is conscious. I am extremely conscious.
Bankily.
You want to sit inside? No, I'll be outside. I'll remove this. Okay? Yeah. But now when we are realizing that our professional lives matter quite a lot more than YouTube, so we are slightly deviating.
Why we stopped making videos on YouTube was because of me and Srujan getting extremely busy. Me with my job, Srujan with his business.
So in the recent past, we sold our Creta in Spinney. We got a good rate for it. It was 5 years old, 95,000 kilometers driven, and since we sold a car, we are in requirement of a new car. So booking, everything is done. Today, we are actually taking delivery of that vehicle, and it's going to be the second EV in the place.
Like it's been ages since we've vlogged. I forgot how to vlog completely. This fellow is conscious. I am extremely conscious. But yes, let's start vlogging for one more time today. But yes, Srujan is taking a delivery of another EV. Congratulate this girl.
जाएंगे, टाइम हो रहा?
कब का टाइम हो चुका है? तू लोग 2 दिन नहाए.
सब बहुत क्यूट बोला रे अम्मा क्या बोला रे बालकनी बालकनी you said balcony
Agu, look here and say navigation. ये सब कुछ अच्छा बोलता.
bankily balcony
You want to sit inside? No, I'll be outside. I'll remove this. Okay? I'll be outside. All of us will remove. You be inside. You're scared? Okay, then remove.
Yeah, come. You open it then. Okay, stand in the middle and open. Or you come here with Dada and Baba. Wait. They'll play the song. Anta.
That way. Piche. No, you'll be scared now.
Come. One. Open.
You like it?
Your new car?
Come. You want to sit inside now? Toki. Congratulations.
Agu, come here. They'll give you the key.
Space. We're getting dual zone climate control. I'm pretty sure the camera is there. Let's go.
जय बोलो गणेश महाराज की
Jay. Go.
Nannu kottake nunnu.
Go. Yeah. Definitely, the XUV 400 has less features when compared to the Punch, but this car is spacious. It has better legroom. It has bigger dicky, and the range is also slightly higher on the Punch. And matter of fact, we got this car almost on par. This is the top end XUV, by the way, almost on par with the Punch top end. So that was close to 50 to 60,000 rupees extra which we paid for the XUV. And looking at price to car size ratio and also the range, realistically I saw a lot of videos and they said we are getting close to 280 to 300 kilometers. So that's a big win-win. Rohit said it right. We are not vlogging. I know the main reason. I am occupied with a particular project of mine. Rohit is busy because he got a sort of a promotion to something called as a base manager in his company. So he's basically the head in Hyderabad. So कुछ ज़्यादा ही busy है both of us. And YouTube is actually a part-time thing which we started. And once the lockdown is lifted, once the COVID is gone, it became a slight hindrance and it was affecting our professional life. And it was, we were slightly deviated towards at times towards making videos, and that was not out of interest but out of just to keep the algorithm steady. But now when we are realizing that our professional lives matter quite a lot more than YouTube, so we are slightly deviating. But yeah, whatever doubts, whatever queries you have, we are active on Instagram. We will reply and give out updates on Instagram. That is much easier. Though yeah, majority of the YouTube, I think it's slightly dialed down, and it will be slightly dialed down from now. But time to time, we will definitely update, and if there's something interesting, we will definitely post that on YouTube. And yeah, let's go home, talk about the car more. Yes, it's been almost one and a half month which we got this car. The past 1 month we did not vlog, we did not record anything.
1 month? It's been ages since you vlogged.
Regardless, yes, we sold the Creta, we got the new XUV 400, and this is another electric. This is the second electric which we have at our place. So it's been done already 5,251 kilometers. So I am abusing the car already. But yes, in this video I am not going to share anything about the good or the bad about this car, because we have already purchased it here. I mean, yes, we can compare this car with the Nexon EV, and definitely we're going to talk about the goods and the bads in the upcoming future vlogs as well. And we're going to compare this car. This car costed us close to 20 lakh rupees on road, and the Tiago, if you remember, costed us 12 lakh rupees. There's a upscale of 8 lakh rupees. So we will definitely going to address what all creature comforts which we get for that 8 lakh rupees.
Okay, if you can actually see I wanted to actually sit here and vlog. I opened the back of this car and I found these. The reason why is these belong to Srujan's favorite bike, the Activa Africa Twin. That has been sold, and
Before anyone asks,
it is already sold. It is gone. It is not in the house. It's not in our garage. Africa Twin is gone. Are we purchasing a new bike? Not in the short term. But before anything else, what's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
this is almost at the end of the video.
Yeah, I know that, but still, I haven't said that in a year, probably. And I'm still surprised that our channel exists on YouTube. It's been that long. But yes, Africa Twin is sold. The Creta is sold. This is a new car which is in. The number one reason why we stopped making videos on YouTube was because of me and Srujan getting extremely busy. Me with my job, Srujan with his business, his new venture. About it, we will finally, it's at a stage where all of our friends and family outside YouTube are aware of it now. All the functions, everything is already in place. We are going to go live with that project probably in the next 15 days, Srujan? In about 15 days.
End of the month.
Yeah, maximum by the end of September. So once that is live, we will share more about that. That is not going to be related to the YouTube family though. It's a completely different venture for us, a better livelihood for us, I would say. So why did we select this car? What are its goods? We've actually already driven about 5,000 kilometers in this. So we know the goods, we know the bads to a small extent. And yes, there is a lot of competition. Srujan already scratched the car there. If you can see, yeah, there's one minor scratch on this car. It's not PPF, but yes. So we have done a few things on this car. We'll talk about them, the goods, the bads, the uglies and the bests of this in a separate video for sure. Bye-bye.